What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Nelson. Today we're inside a 98 Toyota Camry. So the car is on. Got my AC. Going full blast. Let's do this on the radio. Oh! Hope everyone is doing okay. Let's go for a drive, get this video started. I've been with my girl for about 10 years. We live together, we have a son together. Everything is going pretty good, mostly all the time. And then out of nowhere, last night my mom made shrimp cocktail and all hell has broken loose in the house. Because at the exact same time, the exact same night, my girlfriend also made shrimp cocktail and my mom's was way better. And I haven't even told her that. So I went to her house first, got some food to go, brought it back to the house. When I got home around 10, 11 o'clock, everyone was sleeping. So I started doing my video. As I was doing the video, I was also eating. And she wakes up in the middle of the night. She's like, ooh, I can hear you munching. And she's like, wait, that's not my shrimp cocktail, that's your mom's. And she got like instantly mad, went to bed, and we haven't spoken in 2 days. Now I'm an adult, somewhat. I'm 32 years old. I still act like a child. I still look like I'm 18. Everyone thinks I'm 18. She knew. It's because I like to smile. I like to have fun. Even at work, even though it's super stressful and highly everything, we're just moving fast. I like my job. I love my job. It's not even a job, it's like my career. And I love doing it. I love going every single day. So I always have a smile on my face and I'm always chilling, super chilling. You know, people always ask me what it's like to have kids. And when people ask me what it's like to have kids, I always tell them the kids are the easy part. Taking care of them is, you know, the life-changing parts, but it's not true. The life-changing parts is your partner. The person you have kids with is more important than anything else in this world. She is the person that's going to be by your side. You guys are going to have to be partners and team up, and you guys are going to have to make this work for yourself, for your kids, for your sanity. And it is very difficult compared to having the kids. Having the baby is the amazing part. It really is. You don't know who you are until you have kids. But if you're not ready for that, please don't do it. And also I want to just say to the people that don't have kids right now and that are maybe thinking about it, you're never going to be ready. It's something that is life-changing. For example, my brother-in-law, he's like, it looks like he's on the fence for having kids. His girl's totally ready for it and he's not. And you know, I do want to tell him something, but at the exact same time, he's the one that has to do all the decision making. It cannot be based on what I have to say. This information is just information giving you so that you know a certain thing. Because what happens when it doesn't work out, the kids aren't the ones taking you to court. They're not the ones asking for child support. They're not the ones, you know, what's it called when they garnish your wages and stuff like that? That's not the kid's fault. Nothing is the kid's fault. You brought them into this world. Now the woman, she's the one that's going to do all that. When she takes you to court for child support, for custody, she's going to tell everybody there, because it's not just you and her. There's a ton of people there that also have courts. She's going to tell them all about you. All he does is play video games. He doesn't take care of the kids. He never takes them out. He never buys them anything. He's such a worthless worm. That's what she's gonna tell. And then you're gonna go up there and you might say the same thing about her, and the judge is gonna be like, I've heard this a million times before. What am I gonna do? He's gonna look at you, look at them, and he's gonna decide what story to believe. But trust me, she's gonna throw you under the bus, especially if she's pissed off at you. So the most important decision is the person you actually have those kids with. So if you already see a girl and she's all kinds of crazy, and just know it's just gonna get crazier with the kids. There's nothing worse. This is the worst thing about having kids in my 7-year experience having kids, because I have a 7-year-old, is at night when they're trying to go to sleep. There's nothing more stressful than getting home after work, eat something, relax for like an hour or two, and then go to sleep. But you can't do that because they can't sleep. And there's a number of reasons why kids can't sleep. Number one is they're not tired enough, and that goes into telling your kids what to do. If my son's running around jumping off the walls, he's at home, I don't tell him a damn thing. Honestly, I want him jumping on that couch. I want him playing soccer outside, riding his bike, because the more activity he gets in, the more tired he's gonna be. He's gonna fall asleep. It is so nice when they fall asleep at night, and sometimes you can, you know, just you and your girl, you got some girl time, you know what I'm saying? But if he's asleep, there's no girl time at all. I mean, if he's awake, I'm sorry. There's no girl time at all. If he's, if he can't sleep and he's crying, because maybe he doesn't feel good, his tummy hurts, his head hurts, his stomach hurts, he's coughing too much, then it's really, really difficult. Yeah, it's a disaster. That's the worst thing about having kids. I've fallen in love a million times, you know, a million times. I remember when I first fell in love with my mom, I was like 8 years old, and my mom had cooked some enchiladas, and she makes the best enchiladas in the world. And I was a little tiny kid, and I was taking bites of it, and I was looking at my mom, and I was like, these are so good. I fell in love with my mom. I fell in love with her cooking, and I said to myself when I was that little, I have to find a woman like this, a woman that can cook. And I did find a woman that can cook. During the whole COVID thing, it has been crazy. We're at home. I've been barbecuing the whole entire time, and look at this wood grain on this car. Wow, right? It's not real wood grain for sure, because it's like, you can see the glue coming off. But it's really cool that it has it. The kids aren't really the most difficult thing about having kids. It's your partner, your life partner, the one you're gonna choose to spend the rest of your life with. She can make your life a living nightmare. So make sure that you choose them wisely. Get to know them first. You know, even though it's like, well, according to like the church, it's like a ultimate sin and stuff. You're doing the ultimate sin, living with a woman and things like this. It's not the old ways, but there's nothing wrong with getting to know her as much as you can before making a giant decision like that to get married or have kids or something. You know, I'm like a man. I went shopping the other day. I spent like, I think it was $17. I bought toothpaste, a new toothbrush because I needed it, some body wash, and I think that's about it. Man, everything's so friggin' expensive, right? And, you know, I got my body wash. My body wash says, just for men. I think it was Suave. A freaking 50-60 ounce bottle, and it said for hair, for body, for toes, I don't even know, all 3 in 1, you know. So shampoo, conditioner, all in one, and that's all I need. And then when I go into the shower, I'm serious, the bathroom, 90% of the bathroom belongs to my lady, only 10% belongs to me. I have inside the shower, I have 1 bottle of shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. It's all 3 in 1. She has 2 different conditioners in there. One for her face, one for her hair, and then a shampoo for her hair. After that, she has some facial cream in there. She also has, I don't even know. I have 1 loofah. 1 loofah to wash my entire body. She's got like 3 different ones. She's got one for her back. You know, she's got special one for her toes. She has different ones for her hair and for the rest of her body. She's got, you know, and it's the same thing with our cabinet space. I have 1 toothbrush, 1 toothpaste, and we share the contact water. You know, I have 1 contact case, and she's just got way more. She has like 3 or 4 different pairs of glasses, each one double the price of mine. I think I paid $70 for my glasses like 2 years ago, so I need to get some new ones. But I think I pay they're not a name brand, they're just regular glasses that I put on, and her glasses are all Ray-Bans. She doesn't get nothing but Ray-Bans frames for her prescription glasses, and I just get the cheap ones. So and look at the Camry that I'm in. I'm in a 98 Toyota Camry, and she's in a 2010 basically Acura TSX. So there's this thing about women. Number 1, I'm going to tell you right now, do not start them up too high. Sounds crazy, right? I'm serious. I'm 100% serious. My boy just had a baby. This guy, he's crazy. I mean, he makes good money and stuff like that. I get it. And he wants to buy her the best. Now, my girl, when I first met her, she was in a 96 Camry. You know, if you can get those Camry girls, those are the ones to get. But then I gave her like a 2000, you know, Toyota or something like that. Then after the Yoda, I gave her something else and something else, something else. you know. But my boy in like 2020, he just had a son, and he got her like a 2020 like Nissan or something like that. And I'm like, bro, hold the phone. You're starting them up too high. I understand the car belongs, you buying it for her and stuff like that, but bro, when she leave, because the thing is, he didn't really know her that much. He knew her for like a year, and then they had a baby. So shit be tough, man. You got to be real careful with these females. They'll take all your stuff, honestly, if you let them. I mean, I wish him nothing but the best. We're here at work. We're gonna make it happen. Make it happen, Captain. All right, that's the video. Love you guys. Let me know what your opinions are. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Woo!